In this video lesson, you'll learn how to use FBS Mobile Personal Area app. You'll see that the app is convenient and easy to use from anywhere. On opening the app, you'll need to log in. Right after that, you'll see all your accounts in one place. Here are your MetaTrader and FBS Trader accounts, both demo and real ones. On the Promotions tab, you can find active promos. Choose the one you liked most and click on it. Then you will be moved to the promotion page, where the terms and conditions are. We have many different bonuses and you can take part in every promo, so don't hesitate to look through all of them. We have a page with archive of promotions. Here you will find the past promos. Finance tab provides you with ways to deposit and withdraw your funds. Our financial department works 24/7, so you don't need to wait for the transfer for too long. Notice that this tab provides you with information about your real accounts. For the demo accounts, visit the dashboard, which is the first tab in the app. You can transfer your money between accounts by simply clicking the internal transfer button. In addition, all your transactions are here on the Transactions History page. Next folder is Calendar. Here you can find a list of important economic releases. These releases will have an impact on Forex trade instruments. To find a specific event, use filters for countries, market impact, and time. For example, here are the events that may move the euro during the next month. Press on the event and you will find the detailed information about related instruments, last releases, and a trade button that will move you to the trading itself. The same goes for the Stocks page. Here you can look through dividend payouts and earnings reports. The filters will help you to choose a certain country, company, or time. There's also More tab. Here you can start a chat with FBS support team. We are happy to help you and answer any questions. Finally, don't miss the Education page, where you can find 3 levels of complexity: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. The information is sorted in a way for traders of any level to understand. The trading lessons are available for you at any time. Get the FBS Personal Area app now and feel the power of mobile trading. You can find the app in App Store and Google Play by the name FBS Trading Broker. Happy trading with FBS!